Hello techies, this is CompTIA 17.2.6 and we're going to configure Linux. So you manage a Linux server for your organization. Robert Krohn, who was the project manager for the PRCC project, has resigned. His user ID was Aro Krohn. The CIO of the organization has appointed Margie Brown as the new project manager. Her user ID is M Brown. Your manager has asked you to lock Robert's account and move the project files for this project. Corey Flynn will be assuming Margie Brown's old role. So in this lab, your task is to switch to the root account and lock Robert's account. Root password is going to be 114B8. Copy the welcome and teams underscore directory files from /home /cron projects underscore prcc to /home/c Flynn. And we're also going to do a host of other things. So let's go into the terminal, and in the terminal we want to type in su space dash space root, press enter and input the password, and then we're going to type in password, that is passwd space arrow crown space dash so here we want to type in cp/home/arrow crown/project underscore prcc/welcome space /home/c Flynn. Then you press enter. We're going to type in cp space /home/rc cron/project underscore prcc/team underscore diroroy, that is directory, and space /home/c Flynn, and we're going to press enter. We're going to type in /home/arrowcron/project underscore prcc space /home/m brown type enter. I'm going to type in rm/home/rc cron /personal underscore appointment. Press enter to that. So we type in John space C Flynn space /home/C Flynn /welcome. Press enter. I'm gonna type in John and space C Flynn /home/C Flynn and /team underscore directory. Then you press enter. Here you want to type in chgrp space proj space /home/cflin/welcome, press enter. Here we want to type in chgrp space proj space /home/cflin/team_directory. So let's check answers and see how we do, and everything is 100% correct. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. If you need more explanatory videos that explains each and every move and every step in this video, you can reach me through my email so that I can send to you an explanatory video that explains every move I made in this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.